A tiny change in your behavior will not transform your life overnight, but turn that behavior into a habit that you perform every day, and it absolutely can lead to big changes. Changing your life is not about making big breakthroughs or revolutionizing your entire life. The book in 3 sentences. An atomic habit is regular practice or routine that is not only small and easy to do, but is also the source of incredible power, a component of the system of compound growth. Bad habits repeat themselves again and again, not because you don't want to change, but because you have the wrong system for change. Changes that seem small and unimportant at first will compound into remarkable results if you are willing to stick with them for years. The 5 big ideas. Habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. If you want better results, then forget about setting goals. Focus on your system instead. The most effective way to change your habits is to focus not on what you want to achieve, but on who you wish to become. The 4 laws of behavior change are a simple set of rules we can use to build better habits. Number 1. Make it obvious. Number 2. Make it attractive. Number 3. Make it easy. Number 4. Make it satisfying. Environment is the invisible hand that shapes human behavior. The surprising power of tiny habits. Success is the product of daily habits, not once in a lifetime transformation. You should be far more concerned with your current trajectory than with your current results. Your outcomes are a lagging measure of your habits. Your net worth is a lagging measure of your financial habits. Your weight is a lagging measure of your eating habits. Your knowledge is a lagging measure of your learning habits. Your culture is a lagging measure of your cleaning habits. You get what you repeat. Time magnifies the margin between success and failure. It will multiply whatever you feed it. Good habits make time your ally. Bad habits make time your enemy. Goals are about the results you want to achieve. Systems are about the process that lead to those results. If you want to predict where you will end up in life, all you have to do is follow the curve of tiny gains or tiny losses and see how your daily choices will compound 10 or 20 years down to the life. Breakthrough moments are often the results of many previous actions, which build up the potential required to unleash a major change. If you find yourself struggling to build a good habit or break a bad one, it is not because you have lost your ability to improve. It is often because you have not yet crossed what James calls plateau of latent potential. When you finally break through the plateau of latent potential, people will call it an overnight success. The purpose of setting goals is to win the game. The purpose of building systems is to continue playing the game. True long-term thinking is goal-less thinking. It's not about any single accomplishment. It is about the cycle of endless refinement and continuous improvement. Ultimately, it is your commitment to the process that will determine your progress. Habits are the compound interests of self-improvement. Getting 1% better every day counts for a lot in the long run. Habits are double-edged sword. They can work for you or against you, which is why understanding the detail is essential.